The next slot of our agenda is allocated for the key learnings of this sprint. Prabhat, Chaturanga and Tanuli will present you how to set up React Bootstrap and SaaS for Next.js project. Prabhat, could you please start your presentation?
Sure, Kanchi, thank you. Share screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to present about how to set up a React Bootstrap and SaaS for a Next.js project. So here Tanuli and Chaturanga is going to present this. In this presentation, we are going to present about setting up a Next.js project. Here we need to Node.js and npm installed to a computer. Also, we need to code editor to be installed. Also, here we are using VS Code in the present as a code editor. First thing you have to do is open your file folder, then go to the file folder, then run the npx command. It will open the setup. Then you have to run the code npx create next and latest code. Then it will open the this editor. Then you have to after the prompts create a folder with your project name and install the required dependencies as per below. So here we are using first you have to name your project. Here we are using the test app and rename it as a test app. After that, we have to select one of these things. Then first, we are using TypeScript. So TypeScript is an open source programming language. It's fully compatible with existing JavaScript code and libraries. Then we have to use ESLint. ESLint is a customizable tool, improves the JavaScript code quality and consistency. Here we are using the Bootstrap CSS, so we are not installing the Tailwind CSS. Then we are using SRC directory. It's not mandatory, but it's helps logically organize the project structure. And then we are installing AppRouter. AppRouter is also a new routing system introducing latest Next.js 13. It allows to create nested routes and creation of complex hierarchies. Then we have to in here we are not using import alias, but if you can use it in import alias is a JavaScript, and TypeScript allows you to create a shorter meaningful name for a modular path when importing to your code. After allowing these things, it will create a new Next.js app. Then go to the file folder and open it using a code editor. Here we are using VS Code. Then you can start the project. From next slide, Chaturanga will continue.
Yeah, thank you, Prabhataya. After create the Next.js project, we need to install React Bootstrap and SaaS. So first we need install the React Bootstrap. We use this npm install React Bootstrap code. In this code, we can install React Bootstrap in same time. After we install Bootstrap, we need to install SaaS. And in npm install SaaS SaaS code can install SaaS, and after installing SaaS, they have a file name is global CSS file. We can change that global CSS file as global CSS SCSS global SaaS file, and we can use theme colors to change our primary colors to our what we want colors, and we can import Bootstrap in the global SaaS file. We after we import Bootstrap, we need to configure. We need to enable SaaS for the project. Next, we use next config.js file to this. We follow this code line for that, and after this we that you can use SaaS. Thanuli first, thank you, and Thanuli first, the next step.
Thank you, Chaturanga. So as you can see here, in order to configure the SaaS compiler, you have to use SaaS options in the next config.js as shown below. If I move to the next slide. Here, this shows the structure for the project directory. So as you can see, inside the SRC folder, the app folder, the components folder, and the styles folder are made. So inside the styles folder, we include the SaaS files that are used for styling. And inside the components folder, we include the .txt files that are related to the components. So this is the directory, the structure of the project directory. Moving on to the next slide. So after we are done with the project directory, you can run your project in the development server. For that, you have to run this code npm run dev, and then it will give this link. So once you get this link, you can open your browser and navigate this specific link, and then you can see your Next.js application. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanvi and the team.